How did we get so scared? What happened to us that our default setting is now fear? How did we start looking through fear glasses without even noticing we were wearing them? We receive thousands of messages that we should be afraid in movies, TV series, social media, and video games, and the news. Stories are deliberately edited to elicit extreme sensations, more fear. Those messages continue escalating and broadcasting that life is not safe. You are not safe. The problem with fear is that it keeps us from feeling joy. It takes away our creativity, our intuition. It steals our ability to reach out and love. It removes our ability to feel whole. When we get scared, we disconnect from others. Others become the enemy. So we start treating other people as objects and less than human because we don't sense a heart connection when we feel fear. Over time, fear joins with contempt to justify violence. Us versus them. Let's go meet the 4 expressions of fear. The fight-fear reaction often gets mistaken for anger. Imagine making fists, jutting your chin out and barking, oh yeah, as you thrust your body forward like a boxer. Flee fear looks and feels as if some of your awareness stays put in your body and some of you starts to leave. Imagine a shoulder moving away, or your head backing up, or your foot edging toward the door. Fear freeze may be the easiest to recognize. Just tighten your whole body while holding your breath. In faint fear, imagine your life energy draining out of your body through your feet, puddling beneath you, or feel a moment of going foggy or confused. Fear fighters can ooze like hot fudge melting over ice cream, turning fight into forging new paths. Fear fleers can root, getting down into their legs and connecting through their feet to the earth, turning flee into readiness. Fear freezers can begin wiggling fingers and toes to thaw out and can wiggle more and more into being fully here, present, and able to respond. Fear fainters can reach out and scoop love to nourish and connect with your inner landscape and to the outer world of new collaborators. Fear melters are your secret support system. They give you your power back. They give you a chance to pause and make a different choice. They can shift your energy, your creativity, your ability to connect to others right now. You can return to an experience of flow and go on with your day. You can use oozing, rooting, wiggling, and love scooping one at a time, or you can combine them as you wish. You can express with big movements or tiny ones. You can even picture them in your imagination if you're sitting in a meeting and you get triggered. What happens when we move from fear to flow? We're able to see others as they are and not as we fear they are. Others can become partners and potential friends. We give people the benefit of the doubt, and that opens all kinds of doors. Most importantly, we experience peace of mind. We become directors of our own movies, and we get to choose the movie's next scene. We become free to be in this moment, connected, present, and from there to co-create a new future for ourselves and for our global community.